Hi everybody, BlockTech Ev here. Hope you're doing well today. And in today's analysis, we're going to take a look at LOOPRING, LRC US dollar tether. Now, this is very similar setup to the analysis that we were looking at in yesterday's video, where we were looking at Mana and Gala. It's got a very similar setup. And what we've been doing over the last few days is we've been looking at less popular coins with good trade setups, good risk reward setups, and good profit potentials. All right, so this is one of them. It's got a very similar trade setup to the two coins that we analyzed yesterday. I'm going to link them to related ideas below in the sense that it is trading on the same level as its very first resistance that we see over here. All right, so just once again, as I mentioned with the coins that we analyzed yesterday, I've got no idea about the fundamentals of this coin or any other coins. That's not really something I'm looking at this point. I'm just looking at the charts, for potential coins with some good trade setups. That would make a healthy part of a diversified portfolio. And I think in investing, especially in cryptocurrency, there's probably three main types of traders. I think the one is somebody that goes all in on one coin, let's say, for example, Bitcoin, or somebody that really has got a belief in XRP or Cardano or whatever. Almost want to say like a one crypto maximalist. That could be your one kind of trader. Then your second kind of trader could probably go to some of the bigger names, let's say a bit of a diversity like Ethereum and XRP and BNB and Bitcoin and maybe a few others that they feel are part of a smaller diversified portfolio. And then you can also look at it in another way, is you could try to diversify as far as possible in the hopes that you could be a part of the next 17,000% run. Now, you guys know that I've been talking a lot about this. The Dogecoin run that we saw last April, that was a 17,000% increase. I mean, that pretty much came out of the middle of nowhere. And of course, it is what we could call a meme coin. So let's say, for example, you have $100 of saving money. Let's say I had $100 that I'm not going to be worried about, that I could use. And if there are 10 random coins and I invest $10 in each of them, let's say I take $10 and I put it in Loopring. And then, I just kind of forget about it because, if it had to be a rug pull project, losing $10 is not going to be the end of the world. But just in the event that loopring happens, or Dogecoin or Mana or Gala or any one of the other ones that we have been taking a look at does happen to be that coin that increases 17,000% this year, if you were to put $10 in it, that could mean $1,700 if you get lucky from $10. All right, so you kind of get where I'm going with this. I'm not saying it is going to be loopring that is going to increase 17,000%. Obviously, we're no prophets here. It's just a guess because it is possible. We have seen actually quite a few coins over the last year that has made massive leaps and bounds in terms of percentages. So yeah, just an idea about like a kind of a simple explanation on a diversified portfolio. Maybe you'd pick three coins or four coins that you feel like you can invest $10 each in case they make a really big jump. And the rest is your two big coins, two safer coins that you're sure are not going to do rug pulls or something like that. Many ways to do this kind of thing, but that's kind of what we have been talking about in terms of a diversified portfolio. Just in case you get that increase, you never know which coin it's going to be, and even if you have as little as $10 in the project, that could end up being $1,700 should it increase by 17,000%. So yeah, guys, that's it from my side. Just back to loopring. This is pretty much a very good reaccumulation zone. I think anything from this point and even under, I don't think we have quite yet seen the market reversal. I think this is a dead bounce that we are seeing across the cryptocurrency market on most of the coins. I don't think it's over just yet. But anything from this zone on, same as yesterday's two coins, I think is a really good entry price. So I'll link the two coins from yesterday below. Go check that out and follow here for daily updates. Check out our channels for lot more content on a lot more coins. Cheers.